next example of the structural matrix of the truss element subjected to the temperature effect as well as the lack of effect. So in the last lecture we have already seen the similar type of numerical. So here we have considered the rise of temperature effects, okay, and the member is too long. That effect we have considered. So always remember, whenever the temperature effect is given, as a temperature raise is given as shown on the screen to 50 degrees Celsius to all the member, so in that case what we have to do, we have to apply the compressive force. In the last lecture we have seen and we have applied the tensile force, as because the temperature was fall to 50 degrees Celsius, okay. So this point you must remember, that whenever in the numerical itself it is given that the temperature is raised, okay, then in that case you have to apply the compressive force in all the member to balance this. And whenever the temperature is given as a fall to all the member, then in that case what you have to do, you have to apply the tensile force to balance the temperature effect. Along with that, 1-3 member is also subjected to the lack of effect, that is a member is too long by 5 mm, okay. So here instead of given the name as ABCD, here it is given as the member, the joint you can say as 1, this is 2, okay, this is 3, and this is 4. This is a 4 notation of joint is there instead of ABCD. So we have to see this point very carefully, okay. Now along with that, 100 kilonewton and 50 kilonewton force is also acting at joint 3, okay. And along with that, member 1-3, that is this inclined member, is also very long by 5 mm. So this is a lack of fit effect, and temperature is raised to 50 degree to all the member, okay. So this effect we have to consider in our numerical. So first of all, the very first step is to calculate the DOKI, okay. As we see that the point or the joint 1 and 4 is a support, that is a fixed support, and joint 2 is a roller support. So therefore the unknown will be formed at, or DOKI will be formed at 3, okay. So we will start writing the unknown from here. 1, this is 2, okay, and this horizontal 3, and rest of the thing, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it will be known to us, okay. So DOKI will be formed at 1, 2 and 3. E is given as 200 kilonewton per mm square, and that is kilonewton per mm square, and area is given as 500 mm square. So EA we can directly multiply this, and you will get as 100 into 10 to power 3 kilonewton. Then the first step is to formulation of the stiffness matrix. So we have to consider the member 1, 2. So let us see where is 1, 2 comes. This 1, 2 is the vertical member, okay. Then angle is 90, therefore Cx equal to 0, Cy equal to 1, okay. Sine 90 and cos 90 and sine 90. EA value, EA by L value, we have to use EA by L. So 100 into 10 to power 3, EA is already calculated, and length is 3000, okay. As the value is 3 meter is given, we have to use in mm, okay. So 33.33 is the value. Then multiply this inside the bracket, or you have to use the formula of Cxx Cyy, and member 1, 2 is subjected to the coordinate of this 1, 2 is comes to 7, 8, 3, 4. So we have to write very carefully 7, 8, 3, 4, and you have to multiply this outside value inside the value, okay, calculated value, and then we will get the value of SM1. Similarly, SM2 will be applicable to 2, 3. Let us see where 2, 3 comes from. This 2, 3 value. So this 2, 3 is the horizontal member, that is a top member. So here the angle will be equal to 0, theta is 0, so Cx equal to 0, Cx 0, Cy, Cx1, Cy 0, okay. EA by L we have to calculate, then SM2 we will get for the respective coordinate of 3, 4, 1, 2. Then 4, 3 we have to calculate. Similarly 1, 3 we have to calculate, okay. After getting all this stiffness matrix, we have to go for the global stiffness matrix, which is applicable for 1 2 3 1 2 3. So we have to assemble this all this SM 1 2 3 4, and we have to see the value of 1 1 2 1 3 1. Similarly 1 2 2 2 3 2 1 3 2 3 and 3 3. Okay, then after getting the value of K, what we have to do, we have to assemble the global load matrix. So first of all we have to consider the temperature effect. So formula is alpha TEA. Alpha value is 12 into 10 to power 6, as in the numerical itself it is given as alpha. Okay, so alpha we have to consider as 12 into 10 to the power 6 minus 6. Okay, one thing I would like you to say in this regard is that many times in the numerical the alpha value is not given. Okay, so in that case you have to use this value alpha 12 into 10 to the power minus 6. You have to use or assume this value. Okay, then T is given as 50 degree, E is given as 200 and A is 500. So P is equal to 60. Okay, so 60 kilonewton force will be applicable because of the temperature changes. And always remember, as a temperature is raised, so therefore we have to apply the compressive force to all the members. If you see the diagram, this 60, 60, this 60 and this 60. Okay, this 60 and this 60 along with this 60 and this 60 is applied as a compressive force. Okay, as the inclined member is formed, therefore the resolution of force will be takes place to 60 sin theta and 60 cos theta. 60 cos theta and sin theta will be applicable, and the value will be 48 and 36. Okay, so after getting this we will get the final value as 108, where 108 is comes from. Okay, this minus 60 and minus 48 will be equal to 108, but in after applying to the diagram it will be going in rightward direction, as it is going in leftward, but while applying to the diagram it will be rightward, 108. Okay, then this 36 plus 60 will be equal to 96, is going in downward, but while applying it will be 96 upward. So this is the final diagram. Okay, this is the final diagram, you have to consider that. Okay, similarly the same value will be applicable, or same calculation will be applicable to the left member also. Then AFC coordinate we have to apply. AFC will be applicable to this 1 2 at this point. We know that AFC coordinate will be applicable to the unknown point. So unknown point will be formed at 1 2 and 3. So we have to see very carefully. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is point 3. Okay, so this is point 3. Okay, so 108 will be there, 96 will be there, and 60 will be there, like this. Okay, then next is our lack of fit effect. So delta L equal to PL upon AE. Delta L is equal to P into P value we have to calculate. Then 5000 divided by 100 into 10 to the P value is equal to 100 kilonewton. P value is equal to 100 kilonewton. So this P value we have to use, as the member is what is given, member is too long. So therefore this 100 kilonewton will be using as it's a compressive force. So 100 sin theta cos theta we have to use. Okay, then AFC coordinate will be equal to 80 60. Okay, and 0. Here it will be 0. So 80 and 60 and third one will be equal to 0. So AFC, because of the lack of fit, will be equal to this, and due to the external loading it will be equal to 50 minus 100 and 0. Okay, so after getting all this AFC value we have to compile this and then finally get the final value of AFC. Okay, after summation it will be equal to 238, 56 and minus 60. Okay, then next is the calculation of the unknown. Calculation of the unknown will be equal to df1, df2, df3. Okay, so it will be equal to, here it will be, the matrix will be equal to 238. Okay, here it will be equal to 238, it is 56 here. Okay, here it will be equal to minus 60 here. Okay, and like this. So df1, df2 and df3, put all this value as a simultaneous equation in the calculator and you will get the answer of df1, df2 and df3. So this is the three unknown coordinates 1 2 3. Then final member forces. So first of all we have to calculate the AM1. For AM1, where is the member AM1? Let us see what is the EA by L value of AM1. So let us see that this 33.3. okay, so this AM1 will be applicable to member 1 2. Okay, so I will show you how to calculate this 33 EA by L okay, 33.3 minus 33.3 minus 30.3 and 33.3. This CXCY, CXCY, this value we have to consider. Then 7812, this coordinate we have to consider, and then along with that 60 minus 60. Okay, 60 and minus 60 is the value of, what is the value of 60 and minus 60? This 60 and minus 60 we have to consider. Okay, so this consideration will becomes as a temperature effect. The temperature effect value we have to consider for this case. Okay, here. Then AM2 again we have to consider here, and then for AM3. Okay, why for AM3 we have to consider both temperature effect as well as a lack of effect effect. Okay, look, one thing is very common is that in final member forces, why we have considered 60 and minus 60 in all the member, and why we have considered the 100 and minus 100 is only for AM3 case, because AM in the numerical itself it is given that for a specific member. Okay, for a specific member is nothing but what is the specific member is like this. Yes, 1,3. This is 1,3. So for this member, for this final member calculation, we have to consider both 60 and 100 in our final member forces, whereas rest of the member for that is 1, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 4, rest of the member 60 and minus 60 effect will be considered, because the temperature effect will be considered for all the member, but along with that 1,3 is too long, okay, by 5 mm. So along with 60 degree, along with this 60 kilonewton, this effect of this lack of effect we have to consider for member 1,3. Okay, so therefore for AM3, which is denoted as the 1,3 member, in our final member forces we have to consider as 60 minus 60, 100 minus 100, and then we have to solve this value and we will get the final answer like this, and finally we will get the final answers for AM4 also. So we have to calculate this all 4 value, and we have to represent the final member forces as a representation in our final diagram. Okay, so in your examination this type of numerical is very much asked, okay, for about 13 marks. Okay, so you can practice this type of numerical from your university paper, and you can solve also the various varieties of such type of numerical from the book itself, from the books. Okay, so we will see the next type, okay, or rather the next part of the structural matrix of the truss element, okay, in our next lecture along with the portal frames. Okay, so thank you very much for your kind attentions. Okay, thank you.